All right, so the daughter of a celebrity is also a celebrity. Look at yesterday was Imade's birthday, the daughter of Davido, and there's a clip I dropped 2 days ago. As you all can see, Davido is shouting out to his friend Cubana Chief Priest, telling him that he has gotten his daughter Imade's back. We never know that they are about to celebrate her 10th year birthday yesterday. So look at Davido chilling out with his daughter Imade at her birthday yesterday. Look at the decoration, everything was very very organized. You can't imagine celebrity's birthday to be disorganized. It's never happened, it's never going to be happen. Everything need to be in order because people who are coming there are people who are of high caliber of people. That's the men that are meant to come there. Men with high caliber men with big profile will be present, so you don't expect anything to be disorganized. That is, to look at the decoration, very very beautiful, everything was clean as you can see it. Now look at Imade's coming in. She was shocked on what she saw yesterday because the birthday was organized richly. You know, she's a celebrity, so she needs to be packaged well for. You understand? Look at her. She was shocked seeing the beautiful places. The mother was showing her around the hall, showing her the kind of decoration they did for her. And she's a kind of lady, a kind of girl who loves butterfly. Look at the butterfly wings everywhere, shining very, very well. The birthday went well yesterday. A lot of people were there, even Davido's uncle was present there. Look at Davido and the daughter and the sugar mama. Look at them chilling together, taking selfies. Taking photos. Daughters love, daughters love, daughters and fathers love, daughters and father love. Don't ever joke with that. Don't ever joke with that. A lot of caliber of people were there yesterday. I will allow you to watch this video. Watch out how the birthday went. Davido was over happy yesterday, very very happy. Celebrating his first daughter is not an easy thing. So watch this video and don't forget to drop your thoughts under the comment section. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that a video like this will always get to you. Thank you guys. Let's go. So, as this video is coming to an end, I want you to watch a brief interview between Imade and her mother. A very touching and emotional interview between the two of them. They're having just a daughter and mother's conversation. I want you to sit back and watch it, learn a little from it. Learn a little from it. Look at this, the governor chilling with his friend. They are taking a group picture after the birthday celebration. This is a group picture they are taking after the birthday celebration. And here comes the interview. Sit back and watch.
Everything, every single aspect, even the annoying parts.
Oh my god.
So the first question from my end is, what is your favorite part about being my daughter?
Everything, even though when you yell.
Even when I yell?
Yeah.
I don't yell.
Yes, you do.
I'm very firm with my words. I don't think I yell. Okay, I think you're next.
Okay. What was your first reaction when the doctor gave me as your baby?
I feel like I can't put my reaction into words. I can only show you.
Yeah.
That's how I felt. I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, I'm so lucky. That's how I felt.
Okay.
Okay, so my question is, what is one lesson you've learned from me that you'll carry with you throughout your life?
That I'm confident, that I know who I am, I know where I'm coming from, and I know where I'm going.
Period. You're next.
Okay. What is the one thing you wish I would stop doing? Like,
What is the one thing I wish you would stop doing? Can I be honest?
yes.
Losing stuff. You lose stuff. You are always losing
I'm
stuff.
getting better.
Even diamond earrings.
Okay, next question.
My question. If you could change one rule at home, what would it be?
TV time, snack time, and bedtime.
I said it says one rule.
Okay, bedtime.
Why bedtime?
Mom, because come on, Mom, I have superpowers. I could stay up late and still wake up in the early and still be sharp.